Good day, sir. I'm Decarit Domingo, and I'm here to show how to solve for Great Circle Sailing. So let's go. So this is the given here. Latitude 1, 12 degrees 00 minutes north. Longitude 1, 07 degrees 00 minutes west. And latitude 2, 24 degrees 00 minutes north. And longitude 2, 40 degrees 00 minutes west. So first we're gonna find for Dilo. So we're gonna put longitude 1 is 07 degrees 00 minutes west, and longitude 2, 40 degrees 00 minutes west. So we're just gonna subtract. So our Dilo is 33 degrees 00 minutes, and we'll just copy the direction, so west. Next we're gonna find for the Great Circle distance or GC distance. So the formula we're gonna use is cos distance equals cos L1 times cos L2 times cos Dilo plus sin L1 times sin L2. So we're gonna have cos 12 times cos 24 times cos 33 plus sin 12 times sin 24. So we have 0.74942 plus 0.08457. So we're just gonna add that to and equals, it will be 0.83399. So in the calculator, we're gonna shift cos 0.83399. So the answer will be 33 degrees 29.4 minutes. So we're gonna convert this into minutes, so times 60. So our distance is 2009.4 nautical miles. Next we're gonna find for initial course or IC. So the formula we're gonna use is cosine IC equals sin L2 minus cos distance times sin L1 divided by sin distance times cos L1. So we're gonna have sin 24. The answer for sin 24 is 0.40674 minus cos 33 degrees 29.44 minutes times sin 12. So the answer for this is 0.17339. So here divided by sin 33 degrees 29.4 degrees times cos 12. The answer for this is 0.53973. So the answer is 0.2335 divided by 0.53973. So we're gonna divide this. So the answer will be 0.43235. And we're gonna in your calculator shift cos sine 0.43235, and the answer for initial course will be 64.4 degrees. And we're gonna convert this into initial course angle, so it will be north 64.4, west we put north because our latitude is north, and we put west because our Dilo is west. And we're gonna convert this into true course. So yeah, northwest, so it is in quadrant 4 northwest. So we're gonna minus 360. So the answer for 64.4 minus 360 is 295.6 degrees true. So this will be our true course. Next we're gonna find for final course or FC. So the formula we're gonna use is cos FC equals sin L1 minus cos distance times sin L2 divided by sin distance times cos L2. So it will be sin 12 minus cos 33 degrees 29.4 minutes times sin 24 divided by sin 33 degrees 29.4 minutes times cos 24. So the answer for sin 12 is 0.20791, and the answer for cos 33 degrees 29.4 minutes times sin 24 is 0.33921, and for the answer of sin 33 degrees 29.4 minutes times cos 24 is 0.50409. So first we're gonna subtract these two, so the answer will be 0.1313 divided by 0.50409. So the answer will be 0.26047. In the calculator again, we're gonna shift cosine 0.26047. So the answer will be 74.9 degrees. So that is for our final course, and we're gonna convert it into final course angle. So it will be south 74.9 west. So why south? Because it should be opposite to your latitude, and west because it is our DLO, and we're gonna convert this to true course. So southwest, so it will be in quadrant 3. So we're gonna add 180. So 74.9 plus 180. So the answer is 254.9 degrees true. So this is our true course. Next, we're gonna find for latitude of vortex, or lat v. So the formula we're gonna use is cos lat v equals cos L1 times sin initial course, or IC. So we're gonna put cos 12 times sin 64.4. So the answer will be 0.88213. In the calculator, we're gonna do again shift cosine 0.88213. So the answer for our lat v, or latitude of vortex, will be 28 degrees 5.9 minutes north. Last, we're gonna find longitude of vortex. So the formula we're gonna use, first we're gonna look for or find the DLO of vortex. So the formula we're gonna use is sin DLO v equals cos initial course divided by sin lat v. So we're gonna put cos 64.4 divided by sin 28.1. So the answer for this is 0.91736. In the calculator, we're gonna shift sin 0.91736. So the answer for our DLO v is 66 degrees 32.6 minutes west. In order to get long v, we're gonna add DLO to long. Why long? Because long has the same direction, west. So we're gonna add 66 degrees 32.6 minutes west to long 1 07 degrees 00.0 minutes west. So to get for long v, we're gonna add this. So the answer for long v is 73 degrees 32.6 minutes west. So that will be all. Thank you.